What is up? What is up? It's me, Thunder God Comics, and I want to thank you for taking your time and watching this video. Okay, what I got today is some mystery unboxings. I got two Spider-Man booth boxes. We're going to open them up, see what we got. Probably check and see how we did on them. So without any further delay or me flapping my gums, let's just go ahead and try to get into it. I was saying here's two of them right here. So we'll go ahead and get into this one first. It's just like one piece of tape here. What do we got? All right. Of course, we see I did not get a slab, so I'm sure that automatically means I didn't win any sort of GP. But oh well. So we got some of these move boxes. There's some street level Hero LA. I have never seen these, but these boxes cool as shit, and I like the color. So let's get right into them. Well, just the way they usually do theirs is we'll just bring them out, and I got a I don't even know what this is. It's Batman. The Batman Adventures. Oh. Free Inside Batman versus Man Bat. I don't have a price on it, but it's kind of cool. It looks like it's something. Let's check this. I think this is something that's like still polybagged or something, maybe. Oh yeah. Yeah, they sent me a book that's still in a poly bag. Nice. I've never seen anything like that come from Spider-Man booth. Sweet. All right. What we have next is a thick one. That's what she said. Power Rangers 50. It's got a. I don't read Power Rangers or get into Power Rangers. I know there's a fan base for this stuff. Yeah, I mean it's kind of cool. Is it worth all 15? I don't know, but Power Rangers really aren't my thing. Oh hell, they had me I got Valiant, Divinity 3, a cat in a space outfit. Can't say I know anything about this. Okay, let's keep it going. Next is a Amazing Spider-Man 46 with the current run. This is a Del Otto trade dress. Be cool if it was the Virgin, but I still think it's really cool. Anything Del Otto, absolutely. It looks like they put new stickers on stuff. You can look right here. That's the first time I've seen those stickers too. They're older stickers. So that Spider-Man booth. So must be changing things up. I wonder if they're just going to change their whole name. And our last one is, what we got? A Virgin cover of, that is clearly Magneto. Why don't we just go ahead and check and see what the book is? I think it's a Perillo cover from the signature, but I cannot tell. It is a giant, okay, it's one of those giant sized Magneto. The back doesn't say who actually did the inside of it. But I mean, it looks like a Perillo signature to me. So, looks like his work. That's pretty nice. They got a $20 tag in it. Very well, probably is. That's cool. So, all in all, these alone, they say it's $50. Probably what, 30 if it's 50. Cause I mean, I know some of the trade dresses don't hold, but you know, 15 on that Spider-Man's probably a 10. Power Rangers, I don't know. But this one right here, giant size Magneto, 20. Probably good 15 for that version. There was a box, and then I got Valiant. I can tell you who's going to get that Valiant book. And his name is probably Stevie B. He loves Valiant. Anybody out there, you have extra Valiant you're looking to get rid of, send them over to Stevie B Comics. He loves them. Yeah, and then I got this. I'd like to open up the poly bag, but I'm not going to. All right. There's box one. At some point in the comments or something, y'all have to let me know how you think I did on that one. It was a win. I mean, if you sold everything, and some I might keep, some I might not. If you wanted, you could definitely get your $30 back. As we all know, when you get 2 of these, they're $30 a box. Free shipping on 2. So then you're gonna order Spider-Man booth. You may as well get 2 because I think if you order 1, you pay almost 45 bucks after the shipping, or at least I know it's over 40. So it's always well worth getting 2. All right, next one here. All right. Same type of box, so no sense in. Let's see what we got. Start right here. We'll all surprise together. JLA. Nice, and I like this cover. This is a Zatanna. There's a Rags Morales cover too. I like that. That's a beautiful Zatanna cover from JLA. Next, what do we got? No whammies, no whammies. We got, ooh, Immortal Hulk 18 variant. This is a PC book. I do not have this one. This helps me put together my Immortal Hulk. Normally, I only try to cover A because Alex Ross said I'll cover A's for Immortal Hulk. But yeah, this is pretty cool. That's supposed to be red. Not really red She-Hulk, red Harpy, red whatever she is. I know she's better. I can't remember. I know it's what they turned Betty Ross into, which I'm not a big fan of that, but oh well. That's definitely a PC book. So that's not a whammy. Come on, keep going. No whammies. No whammies. Uh, Fate. Oh my god. What the hell did they send me? Cover B. So Valiant. Okay. For one, the superhero. I mean, I'm a big boy. I may not have a lot of room to talk, but the superhero has had some carbs. She's a thick girl. I ain't saying she can't fight crime that way, but um, I mean, clearly she kicked the shit out of some people on there. So yeah, this is definitely not my thing. Valiant, we know who's getting it. All right, come on, no whammies, no whammies. Ooh, sweet, another Amazing Spider-Man. Number 3. You can see that might be a Philip Tank variant cover. Is it going for all 15? I don't know. I like the cover. Doc Ock tearing the mask and stuff apart. It's cool, but I don't know. It's probably more than $5-6 right now. Okay, last one. No, not big. I'd like a Venom book or something. You know, something real big. I haven't been blown away yet by either one of these boxes. They've been okay. So far, the first one was better than this one. Valiant, you put Valiant in a box. Anytime you put Valiant in a box, it kind of really lowers the whole value of the box, in my opinion. Okay, last one. No whammies. No whammies. What the oh boy. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. All right now. This. All right. We already know. It's fine. It's fine. I don't have this one. I believe this is. I believe this is a version of issue 1, the Nick Klein cover. Yep. I was right on the Nick Klein. Nope, it's issue 3. It's the Nick Klein cover, issue 3. This is obviously staying with me. All right, so yeah, let's pretty much save that box. And I'm sure that's going for every bit of the $20 tag on there. So that's what we got. Recap, box 2, JLA number 118. This is a Tana cover. Immortal Hulk 18 variant. PC book. That. Cool Spider-Man cover. Like I said, I don't know if it has $15 in value, but it's cool Spider-Man and PC. And this one of those boxes. I mean, it's not often you can open up a Spider-Man booth box and get 2 books out of the one box that you know you're keeping for your PC, and that's what I did there. That's pretty solid. And then we'll recap that first box real quick. we started with this polybagged Batman Adventures thing. If anybody you know comments or whatever even knows what this is, I feel like I should, but I don't. It just says free inside Batman versus Man Bat and a Topps trading card. Yeah. So, if any of you, let me know because I honestly really don't. Like I said, I feel like I should, but I don't. Um, let's see. Oh yeah. Well, there's this another Valiant, and then there's some cool book, some Power Rangers 50. Another cool Del Otto Spider-Man. I love any work by Del Otto. And then some Virgin Perillo Magneto, which is great. So I did it. That's what we got. Couple cool things. 10 bucks. I think you can see probably at least 4 keepers out of 10 books. That's not pretty bad. I mean, yeah, it's not pretty bad. It's not bad. It's really not. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like I say, clearly I love that getting that 4 book. So I think we do well with the money. I'm not gonna run them through a price check or anything like that. So yeah, that's what we got. I'm trying to keep it short. Couple boxes. Like I said, anybody knows anything about that Batman poly bag, please let me know. Like I said, I feel like I should know what that is, but I don't. So yeah, I appreciate anybody who took the time out of your day to watch my little unboxing video. Um, Hopefully, if you haven't done so already, this is the day that I have earned your subscription. Please hit that subscribe button for me. Comment. Please leave comments. Let me know what you thought about this pickup. Hit that notification bell so when I drop other videos, you don't miss anything. And please give me a thumbs up. Or if you think I sucked an ass, bring me a thumbs down. But when you do, let me know what you thought. Say like, hey, ugly, you could do this better or something like that. I don't know. Just you know, if you got something better I could do, let me know. But I'm flapping my gums. Uh, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, notification bell. Also, this coming Thursday on the 10th at 9:30 p.m. We'll be doing the Thunder auction video on here, and we got some great sellers. So I hope you tune in for that. All the information is on my IG, as well as there's already a video link to set a reminder. So thank you once again. Appreciate y'all for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy out there, stay worthy.